about 4 or 5 years ago. And I think we say a more a semen in the soul. Baby, and then I your white to say the boy sin. Wow. Hey, that famous room.
Daddy,
yeah,
another woman have and yes, you shall free now her and your money. Say, Eddie Cano. Yawa did kill me and I am older. 12 June, and I am older. You be booming since I don't know anything else something before. And then a problem said, as it will be something. The chincha and the Olympia. I am my older in Tinam said, the Babasa, Nasabi. Maybe will be a maybe I'm sorry. The pen food be a cook and so in the Amipa. So was open for the NA. And never say anything with the about tea. Yaba in your more, I bottom you. Any young chine, any young ama, and a tea will so bad about. I said, yeah. The Babas Rawa into my mouth, said the former cancer once then you plan. Yana of Sunny. Tiabaya and Slim. Any energy, yes, I didn't make blow. When it be any, anything I'm afraid for.
Any kind, maybe I said that Bema or for you, say, what shows. Now, what ball buying, a fee I become who fear with you. I said that maybe not too for you. It also means, like I said, this is rather a big surprise to me. Yeah. Because it's a big surprise to me. Now, me know why you Juma Ache, Kakra. For some time now, me know when she it's wo frame no na me wo mampo ye hene efri mu ma ye koye yi efri wo so we call wenchi na na ba ko na wudi mampo akọ ne yere na ne yere ne wenchi hima na wenchi hima so efri mu nti na wo se etumrika ekoho nti efri wenchi na e ba mampo a frame na me yes no Sunday and my back now yes now can open say no pay cry na mo ba na me say no pay dia me free 9 now say 9 o'clock just me ko ba na I never imagined say BBC and so me aseda no di kan mo tu fo nya na me di aseda ai to so ama wo ne nkrofo nyina se mo nya me ho adwen pasa na wudi wa woda na wakai me na pese wo beye me adoye a etisi nti aseda na me di aseda ye so wodia se mo nya me ho adwen pasa.
Yes, that's why I said, if you be an old my mom, come a bureau, throw a pound of face with Jimmy. Kai said, I'm a flat. When my mapping, in your map, and then phones in an including that's now that you never was it.
Say, almost say, any party who near na any be in respect of your. I was diagnosed of glaucoma.
Okay.
Now that was 2010. Now that time, no, not we had clearly. Na me nim kura say me any problem via there was a glaucoma week and for Love FM for na one more year glaucoma week into all my resource person in our studio when I know discuss na resource person can say ubia wo hɔ a wo hɔ na wo de won saba ko na wo de ato ani lefty na wa hwɛ sɛ right one na hu ade ya na wo wi a na wo de won sa ato right one so na wo de left na hwɛ ade sɛ hu ade ya enti wo ka ya na me yɛ immediately. Now what I discovered was that my knee left, hey, name what I say, hey, is that so? And me no more my knee left, in 1 year. Now what they say, and they say left eye no complements the right. The left one no complements the right. Now right also complements left. Until one fear, when 1 year, Ubeka said we just 1 year. Yes, Anna. I can't change Anna. Medical hospital. And almost share. And almost say glaucoma.
Wow.
It was suspected to be glaucoma. And almost mommy referral. Some found call Kumasi South. Friends to as well. To me, call I only money to 2 years. So I know confirm say glaucoma. So I've been living with this glaucoma for the past 15 years. Na you can say let me hear clearly. I wasn't afraid of anything. Before I said 4 or 5 years ago, and I think who said a boy is similar in so baby and I white said your boy sin. Wow. That famous that was the first time I even told anybody say I had an eye problem. Now I've been receiving treatment for the past 15 years. Actually, normal can say develop a cataract. But me so my imagine say me age the me ma ubia enye me I operate surgery me a many. This year me to me fan say December I be na me 75 years.
Wow.
This year I'm 74. And me say me the nipa be bra me so mo enyini a wo mo de yensa ka wo mo ani ana ehidani no ne kokora ti me say me de treatment eye drops na be yesa ti eno na me de na ti health wise that is the major problem that I have with my sight. But in spite of that, baby o semi ko bia ti me ko baby o semi ko bia say me ti me ga say
apart from Bibi Babu say asitena so to say
asitena dear like I say more than kakra I mean I say more than pi I mean I say kakra you know our state of the economy, the state of our economy say for some time now near more than kakra and I also movie industry yena aware say said the na eti first yes an TSC before betimi akase bia in a week betimi akobia sent so be 2 or 3 or 4 kra sebia all the productions are taking place at me fancy bia man kran so who timi ko set we so na ho an obi twa from we kai say any Jones no mo ye adwuma na ewo anguma so two productions na koso side by side twa agaka nti those days in the nature say adwuma no koso pa but mo amani tia say there and it is sad a lot of say try think a bit me revive industry but it didn't revive it to the extent na pen so nti ema asitran no den kakra so nti sana mekano nti kakra na ye ti ho sa but nyame ada roma we are still doing well
and then say obi begina wani no obisa say empamifo ya mo kra adwuma nduduru samre mo abe na muhia sinifo ani aban no mo abe na muhia mo abe na no mbi
Sia no send American industry no e come from ubekaya a problem started from doom so time. Those days now, we are 16 movies that me out in a week. Now, in fact, now producers no plan on my worried. They say, hey, now 16 movies out in a week. Send you bet me at top. I'm will be it now. One more crowd of producers, no percent production or a chicken crass and a week be an meeting me selling enough. And do so buy, do so buy, now movie sales on Echo for because we will a movie be a come up, was in American Bene. So, you know, Echo for since then, a human call from Sad, you were you feeling necessary. Can you know stabilize here? A human page, but it didn't happen that way. Emra can you know stabilize here? Kakrama, now I'm for so the telenovelas here. One more a country. And out of curiosity, now Professor so I'm going to call who Brunia or country. 18 for 5 for and a man industry no and me am just said yeah that was a 9 year expectation. He said you so no kwa but me am because of what I've just told you. India for more country into a man of 5 it is say no koye say feature movies no crowd there as na ye nye bi obia so a TV series bi ba message do no mo nyina Matilda Sarre no don't cancel when from na ye adwuma na say asasi ya ne Mr. President ne TV series to sustain the industry, need peace and love. We are hoping, say, with time, you will find a solution to this problem. Now, because this year, for what they do mostly is maybe idea go to YouTube. Now they now go for subscribe. It is a one year for more subscriber. Why we are now on Zan, but it be no more try, say, na Timmy and reviving industry. It Nanka a Timmy Ambassa.
Papa J.
Yeah, Friday, I think, say, one more share movies, especially Kumasi and movies, Mr. Godfred Opoku.
Yeah, Godfred Opoku, yeah.
What would you regret being an actor in Ghana?
No. I will never regret anything that I've been involved in.
Okay.
So, HSA, movie industry. Let me tell you something. Me answer na me beba movie industry. Na my year Juma in the brewing industry. Wow. For 24 years. I worked with Kumawood Brewery for 10 years.
Wow.
And I'm in Nigerian breweries, so I for 14 years. Put together another 24 years. At the time I was leaving Nigerian breweries, I never thought, say, I would work in another industry for another 24 years. So, because at the time I left Nigerian breweries, now I was already about 45 years. It's for another year, 24 years. And that is my pro-retirement age of 60. I never thought say my year in an industry for another 24 years. But as God will have it, make it. This year, and I 25 years in the movie industry.
Wow.
This year, I 25 years. We started with Miracle Films in the movie Remember Your Mother. Remember Your Mother in Nigeria for Tony Umez, all those people, they know me charge. And this is the 25th year. So, one who say movie industry no cry. I've been involved for more. That is 25 years. That is more than the 24 years that I did with the brewing industry. You see, when I get the opportunity like this, I will clap for the movie industry. Say one more Timmy, I keep put me in the industry for 25 good years. Or Timmy, because I never thought I would do another industry for 24 years. But movie industry, you know. My term for 25 good years. I've beaten Nigeria, I can't say brewing industry by a year. And I'm still.
I hold you down, because the movie industry, I hold you down.
Oh, and to me, well, it has sustained me. It has also the whole Ghana, baby, anyone I'm a far, Nipa, and recognize me. So, baby, who I mean, I'm crying, I'm a dream, say. It will be any, but it is but Hokrana. I've been to several places. One will be able to you are my role model. Just the movie industry has also exposed me nationally, and I would say even internationally, because a little bit brave will be free from outside. No wakasa obi wo ha na ho ana oni na kohia o si ye ha wona mani wa hie ma yen twa picture na me fa nko kire me yire na said me yiri sipo asem so it has exposed me worldwide. I will never say I've regretted being in the movie industry.
The last one, for saying more juice level way. Say by this time, I enjoy BB. Whilst you guys are not still working in the industry, must be BB who saying come enjoy.
Someone who said your social security and national insurance trust. Juma we Juma Bia two skakakra and the was by the time I call retirement. Now what you said scan. Friend lump sum no agye on a monthly entika movie industry no ka yenya bi bisa wo mu a enka ebeboa na wo se yen yaban no soso yaban bi ebeba bia wo se wo mu se movie industry no it is a tourist venture because of the niema ye beye wo movies mo no na ama attract people so mo ba Ghana no ma ba behwa na attract tourists into Ghana. It was say aban bia bebe bia no was mo say was mo movie industry no because let's America say you can Hollywood and project America to its level because woman yema womo ye no na I so curious so nya obekwa America no wakwa akwohwe ni sa niema na wo mo show kire ifoi India foi wo nyina wo mo ye bibia e be attract nipa ama wo maba wo mo kro na chese wo mo so nya money out of tourism it yen so e wo say yes say e wo say itimidi ye movie industry na attract tourists e ba ye man yi mo it was say aban bia wo be bia so we face creative arts in general no and we say we promote na yetimedi attract tourists to in bibasa hoteliers benyeska caterers ni obia benyeska eti ye besa man say they should pump money into the industry send ye be ya ye betimi continue their productions na yetimi sell Ghana to the outside world
so
okay that's it the apology no me daddy e beda wase ene wa me abon komo pa na wasan bi niema so ama ene ayi pia bantina ko die edwuma ebi ho pa e befa so that's pass o ma ye pan ama enu be din ko na e di achede so bra that's pa why
asida no die asida kese no e die me di be ma twe di amponkwa me ene mu mu chese mu timi nya sa adwene wo me ho a mo de achede we se bremi ya asida kese pa se de medical kan